On one of the ponds, in dense reed, the smallest of our herons, the little bittern, has hidden its nest. They are very mysterious and secretive birds. The young have just woken up from their afternoon nap, and now they must wait for their parents to come back with food. The stagnant waters of the reed bed make a fine breeding ground for mosquitoes. They constantly tease the chicks, attacking the least feathered bits of their bodies near their eyes and beaks. The young bitterns try to get rid of the intruders, but they can't cope. There are just too many mosquitoes. There's a long drawn-out wait for the parents to come back with food. Young birds are already very hungry. Finally, the male appears. He's very wary. He looks around the neighborhood of the nest. Only when he sees that there is no danger does he go to the chicks. The youngest immediately attacks his father's beak. He wants the food that's in the crop. And he's not the only one who is hungry. All the young rush forward as soon as the frog is regurgitated. They fight with all their might, and finally the oldest one wins. The youngest and smallest of the chicks is still hungry. It is persistent. It demands food. Finally, it can eat. With difficulty, it swallows the frog, which is only just smaller than itself. After such a hearty meal, it's time for a nap. The young cuddle up with their father, who's sitting in the nest like a farmyard.